Welcome to this tutorial on how to create and manage new employee onboarding checklist items in the ERP system. Onboarding checklist items help you organize the tasks new employees need to complete, assign responsibility, set deadlines, and track required actions during onboarding. Let's get started. To begin, open the Recruitment module from the main menu. Once the Recruitment menu is expanded, select Checklist Items to open the page where onboarding tasks are created and managed. From the Checklist Items page, use the plus icon to start creating a new checklist item. When the form opens, start by selecting the checklist this task belongs to. In this example, new employee onboarding is selected for the new hire process. Next, enter the task name. In this example, submit employment documents is used as the onboarding task. After naming the task, add a description of what the employee needs to submit. This can include identification, employment forms, bank details, signed offer letter, or any other required documents. Next, select the category for the task. In this example, documentation is selected because the task relates to submitting employee documents. With the category selected, assign the task to the responsible role. Next, enter the due day value. In this example, the task is due 1 day after it is assigned. If the task is mandatory, enable required task. This ensures the task is treated as an important part of the onboarding checklist. After setting the required option, set the task status to active or inactive. This sets the checklist item availability for use during the onboarding process. Once the checklist, task name, description, category, assigned role, due day, required setting, and status have been reviewed, click Create to save the checklist item. The checklist item has now been created successfully and will appear in the checklist items list. And that's a wrap on how to create and manage new employee onboarding checklist items in the ERP system. You've just learned how to create an onboarding checklist item, add task details, assign it to the right role, set a due day, mark it as required, activate it, and manage it from the checklist items list. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.